It's chassis time. The Pro Built chassis raffle is here. Can somebody say touchdown? Oh yeah, we can. She's on the ground, folks. I can't wait to show you. It looks amazing. Let's not beat around the bush. Let's show you what we did.
Used to Leon, I have my big fat belly. I was pushing.
So what do you think? Are we killing it? I think we're killing it. So we're hitting the ground. We've got some brake lines built. I don't know if you saw the little details. If not, rewind back. Alright, we're back. Did you check it out? Some narrowed IRS control arms. Got Got one of those built on one side, got everything dialed into the bump stop. Do a little detailing here. And then we can assemble the rear stub axles and the CV joints and rear brakes and get this thing on the ground, hopefully in a couple weeks. Really excited for the progress. Glad we have touchdown. Make sure you check out our sponsors, Tech there, Wolfsburg West. Make sure you get your raffle tickets purchased. Link is down there, not on this movie right here. Down below. And we hope you win. Thanks again for watching this video, following along with our vlog. If you like any of the parts that we put on these cars, comment below. Get in touch with us. Our contact information is in the description down here. Let's help you build something as cool as this. Thanks again, guys. You take care.